Hey guys, I'm Lokishadal again with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna tell you how to get notch feature in any kind of phone. So without wasting time, let's get started. So right now, notch feature is really trending. In every phone that is coming out is having notch. If we just take example of the phone that is coming right now, that is a OnePlus 6, it is also having a notch. So didn't you get that point, that why we all can't have that notch design to just impress anybody? Like, we are also having a trending phone. So for that, all those guys, I'm having this video, and this video I'm gonna tell you how to get that notch feature in any Android phone. And if you are having an Android phone that is having Android version more than the Android Marshmallow, it is having Marshmallow too, it's gonna be providing you more features. And my phone is not having that much features like Marshmallow. I don't have that. I have Lollipop, so I'm not be able to do that all the features. But if you have that, then it's gonna be giving you more features than anything else. Now the app that you have to install is X out of 10, and this app is a particular app that will be available on the Play Store, and it's gonna give you that feature. So now this app is gonna give you all those things that you want for a notch design. Now if you want to draw other apps to this, you want a Marshmallow version or upper than that, I am having Lollipop, that is why I'm not gonna do it. But you are gonna see a little bit of things. You just have to start it, just run it in the background, and it's gonna do all the things for you. It's gonna give you a kind of notch that will be looking a little bit like the iPhone X. You don't need to spend that $999, so you will be getting this thing. And this thing is quite simple, and it's not that really bold kind of thing, and you'll be getting a notch kind of design in your own phone. So if you want to just download it, the link will be in the description. I'm just gonna give it to you all guys, so that you will be also having that notch like design in your mobile phone. So that's all for today. Keep watching my channel. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos so that I get motivation from your support, and I hope I will see you in the next video.
Spicy, Papa.